Allow me first to take this opportunity to thank members, more particularly from the minority side, and also those progressive members from the Jubilee Party who have been here from yesterday as we had requested members to come for special sitting. And this morning we are delighted that our members were in the House in their numbers and made sure that we went through the second reading of the political parties amendment bill. The yes side or the aye side had 115 members, yet the opposing side had only 68 members. And now that makes me very happy because as you are aware, there have been talk out there of some Tanga group having 150 members, and they were daring us that they would come and shoot down the second reading of the political parties amendment bill. That they did not succeed in doing. And we showed them, demonstrated to the entire country, as we have demonstrated before, even during BBI, where they walipiga kifua na kusema they will defeat us. We defeated them. That shows you where Kenyans are, because these are elected representatives of the people of Kenya. That we have numbers in this house is never in doubt now. Those who are doubting it, I think now we have put it to rest. It is my wish that hope that members will heed to our call when we call them for the committee of the whole house before the end of the year. If the leader of majority or myself will have to recall the house for the third reading and committee of the whole house before the end of the year.